In this video, I'll show you how to automate PDF generation using Make.com, CraftMyPDF, and Airtable. Whenever a new contract request is added to Airtable, Make.com will send the data to CraftMyPDF and automatically generate the PDF agreement. Let's get started. First, log into CraftMyPDF and go to Manage Templates. There are a few ways to create a PDF template. You can import an existing PDF and overlay dynamic text on top of it, or start with a preset template. In this tutorial, we'll use a sample PDF. Click Create New PDF Template. Give it a name. Choose a template you want to use, and click Create Template. Once the template is created, click Edit to open it, then launch the template editor. Inside the template editor, go to the Data tab first. Here, we'll customize the data fields that will be used in the service agreement. We'll keep the fields we need, and also add a new field called Contract ID. This field is useful if you want to assign a unique reference number to every agreement. After that, go back to the designer. This is where we'll customize the agreement layout and place the dynamic fields into the document. We can place the contract ID right below the agreement title. You can see the new contract ID field in the Data Fields panel on the left. Just drag and drop the field onto the template, then position it where you want it. Then make sure the rest of the fields are mapped properly. Double-click the Rich Text component, then use the Insert Expression button to add a field. Once you select a field, click Use This. We've already mapped all the fields, so we'll skip that step. Once that is done, click on the Preview tab to preview the agreement and generate a sample PDF. And the service agreement template is now ready. Be sure to save the template, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now let's prepare Airtable for storing the information and generated PDF. In my Airtable base, I already have the contract field set up. Next, I'm going to add a new field to store the generated PDF document. This will allow Airtable to store the PDF file generated by CraftMyPDF. Then I'll add another field called Last Modified. You can configure it to track changes on the attachment field, so Airtable will automatically record when the PDF was added or updated. Now our template and Airtable setup are ready. Let's move on to Make.com and build the automation. Now let's build the automation in Make.com. For the first module, choose Airtable. Then select Watch Records. This module will watch for new contract requests added to your Airtable table. Next, connect your Airtable account if you haven't done that yet. Then choose the correct base and table where your contract requests are stored. Also, configure the trigger configuration. Once that is set up, click Save. When Make.com asks where to start processing data, choose From Now On. Click the plus button to add another module. Search for CraftMyPDF and select it. Then choose Generate PDF Document. Now connect your CraftMyPDF account using your API key. You can get the API key from the API Integration tab in CraftMyPDF. After that, choose the template we created earlier for the service agreement. For the payload type, in most cases, Schema of sample data is the easiest option if your template already has sample data defined. Now we need to map the fields from Airtable into the CraftMyPDF template. This tells CraftMyPDF how to fill the service agreement with the actual data coming from Airtable. Once everything is mapped, click Save. Click the plus button again and add another Airtable module. This time, choose Update a Record. Set up the connection and select the same Airtable base and table. For the record ID, map the record ID from the first Airtable module. Then locate the attachment field we created earlier. Map the file URL from the CraftMyPDF module into that attachment field, and also give the file a name. This will let Airtable save the generated service agreement PDF directly into the record. Once that is done, click Save. Now go back to Airtable and duplicate a row. This will trigger the workflow. Once that's done, return to Make.com and click Run once. You'll then see the scenario run in action. After it completes, head back to Airtable to view the generated PDF. And that's it. Your document automation workflow is now fully connected using Airtable, Make.com, and CraftMyPDF. If you want to automate your own contracts, certificates, invoices, or other business documents, sign up for CraftMyPDF and start building today.